What sound does a bee make? That's right. Do it again. What sound does a bee make? That's right. Okay, now let's sing. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Are you ready, kids? Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. That's right. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. Ooh, I'm smelling something pretty nasty. I think it's coming from down there. Ew. Where are you going, little miss? Where are you going? Anna, what sound does a bee make? That's right. What sound does a bee make? That's right.